Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul and you're watching the YouTube channel Accessible Computing. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Visit our official website accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com for more articles related to technology. In this video, I am going to share with you a very useful Telegram bot with the help of which you can easily convert any image file to text or extract text from any image file. Remember, this bot is only for use for English users. So let's start. So friends, the bot name is image to text. I have shared the bot username or bot link into our Telegram channel. If you are not in our Telegram channel, you can join our Telegram channel by visiting the description box of this video, or you can search Accessible Computing in Telegram. You will get our Telegram channel, official Telegram channel. Otherwise, you can directly log in t.me/accessiblecomputing to join our Telegram channel. Let's start the video. So let me.
What can this bot do? Sends back the text contained in an image. Send as a photo to the bot. Heading.
Okay, so now this is the introduction of this bot.
Go to next unread. Start.
So now I'm clicking on start. Let's see what will happen.
Go back. But list.
Please read.
What can this bot do? List/start. Hello. Welcome. I am a bot that sends you text with an image sent to me. Please check. /help. For more details received at 1352.
Okay, so if you want to know more details, just you can send the comment /help. The bot will send you all the details. Now I'm choosing an image from my directory.
Grid.
Sorry.
Lifestyle. Daily use. Open. Solid Explorer.
I'm opening the file manager, Solid Explorer.
FBIMG16457.
Okay, so this is the FB image which I have downloaded from Facebook.
Action delete. But action share button.
So I'm clicking on share.
Send to Telegram.
I'm clicking on Telegram, then I am sending it to bot.
Text.
Bot image to text. Okay, so I'm clicking on bot image to text.
Edit box. Message. Share group. Bengali. Share in one chat.
Share in one chat. I'm clicking on share in one chat, and the image will be shared with the bot. Then the bot will extract the text and send back to me.
Photo viewer. Send. Empty text. Photo sent at 13:53. Scene, 1 of 5.
Let's see.
Even the smallest of thoughts have the potential to become the biggest of successes. All you have to do is get up and get going. A very good morning. Have a thoughtful Friday. Times 3 OM received at 13:53.
Okay, so this is the text which is in the above image.
Photo sent at 13:53. Scene, 2 of 6.
Okay, it's so easy to convert any image to text file by using the Telegram bot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and let me know into the comment section your valuable opinion, because comment section is your place to discuss everything related to technology related to our channel. Don't forget to join our official Facebook page, facebook.com/accessiblecomputing. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.